philosophy professor placed a large jar on the table. He began placing large stones into the jar until he could fit no more and asked, "Is this jar full?" The student said yes. The professor then started pouring pebbles into the jar, shaking it slightly. The pebbles rolled into the open spaces between the stones. Again he asked, "Is this jar full now?" Some students started to understand his point and hesitated, but many agreed again. Lastly, the professor then started pouring sand into the jar. The tiny grains filled all the remaining interstitial spaces. Only then did he agree that the jar was indeed full and explained, "This jar signifies your life. The stones are the important things, your family, health, and friends. Things that if everything else was lost, your life would still be full. The pebbles are the other things that matter. Your job, your house, your car. The sand represents the small stuff, the trivial things," he continued. "If you put the sand or the pebbles into the jar first, there's no room for the stones. The same goes for life. If you spend all your time and energy on the small stuff, you'll never have room for the things that truly matter most."